To be honest, I feel wonderful.
It's amazing to do something that you love for nothing more than love of country and the sport, and then to be thanked for it.
To be honored by a country is still a great event, in my view.
We are on the lawns of King's House as usual. It is the ceremony of investiture and installation of national honours and awards. Dr. Julius Garvey is, of course, the son of Jamaica's first national hero, the Right Excellent Marcus Mosiah Garvey. He served the Jamaica Broilers Group for 59 years and fostered the development of the contract farming model. We have 215 persons who will be receiving honours and awards here at King's House.
Professor the Honourable Gerald Cecil Leila, a member of the Order of Jamaica and a member of the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander, for his eminent contribution to Jamaica and the world's development through the application of science, technology and innovation, and service to the public and private sectors. Mr. Robert Dixon Pickersgill, Member of Parliament for Public Service and Political Representation, for the display of bravery in saving the life of a police officer who under criminal assault was hit from his motorcycle. Ms. Foster rescued the injured officer and transported him to hospital.
I was just basically going towards 6 Mile on my way to get some duties done. Saw the police officer passing me on my right side. Saw a highest bus coming on the opposite direction, coming straight across. Saw both of them collide, and that's where the chaos started. Because he was flung from the bike broke in two, and he was there bleeding. Persons were also just taking pictures instead of providing some assistance. And he was actually asking persons to help him. But you know how persons are nowadays, they're just more interested in it for the social media. So transported him to the hospital. He recovered within about 2 to 3 months, and he's doing very well now.
I've spent 37 years within the Jamaican Force, and this is my first award.
Deputy Superintendent of Police Lorraine Palmer.
37 years of service given to the JCF by Deputy Superintendent Palmer.
Non-retirement, so at least they recognize my worth and my work and my conduct. So I'm so elated.
Mr. Bruce Rex Vernon James, for sterling contribution to the development of sports in Jamaica and especially in the field of athletics.
When we formed the MVP Track and Field Club about 20 years ago, we didn't have a world record holder in the 100 meters. We didn't have the number of Olympic medals that we have and World Championship medals we have now.
I have to give God thanks for giving me strength on a daily basis, because my scope of work is very wide.
Reverend Neil has served as a chaplain for the JCF since 2001. Last year he was recognized for 30 years of committed service to the Seaview Baptist Church.
I worked for 19 years at BB Cook High School in Junction as a chaplain, school chaplain. I worked for 19 years as a station pastor for Junction Police Station. I worked for 19 years at Witton Sons Funeral Home, Junction St. Elizabeth. I worked as a marriage officer from 2007 to 2019 and Justice of the Peace for the parish of St. Elizabeth from 2007 until 2019. So it's an overwhelming moment for me, because what really happens is that the best time to give somebody something is when they're alive.
Warrant Officer Class 1, Mukul Antonio Miller.
001 Miller, 25 years of service to the Jamaica Defence Force.
It's really a sacrifice, and you have to be willing to serve to be able to do that. The pleasure is really to see what comes out at the end of the sacrifice. I am really proud of being a representative of Trelawney, honestly. The first one from Trelawney to be awarded this way, especially in my community.
The Honourable Dr. Horace Anthony Chan, Member of Parliament, for distinguished public service in the area of politics.
Greatest feeling comes from the work I've done for a lot of the young people out of both Hanover and Montego Bay. There are many of them today who are young graduate professionals, and I can understand the the need to assist them, because many of them would not have gone the journey without the help. And I'm committed to that kind of activity because it has been a good journey for myself from the hills of Westmoreland.
The Honorable Lester Michael Henry, a member of the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander and a Member of Parliament, for 40 years of distinguished public service, political representation, and public policy development.
What stands out for me are the realization of many things that people have achieved. For instance, it's a culmination in terms of sitting beside a descendant of Marcus Garvey. None but ourselves can free our minds. It's also the looking at and listening to Dean Fraser play what is the title of my book, Many Rivers to Cross.
Mr. Sean Paul Ryan Francis Sean Paul Henriquez, for contribution to the global popularity and promotion of reggae music.
I'm very humbled, I'm very honored. Surreal moment for me, you know. Never thought this would happen to me, but I appreciate it so much. And as I said, my love for Jamaica and the culture, I guess it's been honored now, but I would like to honor back Jamaica and salute everyone. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
What color is the rainbow? Oh, check it next time it shows. It's the way we should be, together in harmony, rocking on the same boat, sailing up the same stream. Oh, no matter what they do, no matter what they say, all the Jaja children are go Harambe, Harambe. Hear what I say, Harambe, say Harambe. Yeah. You hear what I say, Harambe.